Going on, man? Back. Let's see what time it is. Boy Doc. Christmas right here, man. Jato 4x4, man. It's the unboxing right here, man. We at the local hobby shop. Let's go ahead and pop this open. There she is. Jato 4x4. Got the green one. And, you know, we up here at the hobby shop. We're gonna run it on the stock BL2S. But in typical me, you already know, had to make an order. So we're gonna upgrade the engine ESC, but before I do that, I'm gonna run it a couple of times to see how I feel. Just check it out on stock, see how it works out. But yeah, man, it's been a long time. Back doing the hobby thing. Seen this, I love Buggy, so this is the first upgrade. It's gonna be the engine ESC, and then I'll probably move to the tires and everything. But yeah, let's see what this thing do, man. Happy holidays, man. We back. All right.